Hey, good morning everybody. This is me, Tausif Sheikh, into my day 57 of the morning 5 kilometer. And guys, a beautiful start for day. And yesterday with life transformation, we were discussing about installing a life-changing habit, guys. And that is book reading, okay? Guys, when you read book on a daily basis, new ideas will come to your mind. You will start looking at the world from a very different perspective, okay? You will start seeing opportunities in every small things. And for that reason, guys, if you want to experience life in a great manner, you need to get started with this. Your problems will become small because you will become so capable to deal with it. So guys, what you need to do is daily reserve 30 minutes of time for book reading. Make it happen. Choose any book which will solve your current life problems and just be consistent with that. Automatically, in a matter of 2 weeks, you'll start loving the process. Okay? So make sure you apply it and bring massive change in your life. This is me, Tausif Sheikh.